Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Let's start our first topic, which is algebra. I think you are familiar with the order of operations. You all have done BODMAS and DMAS, right? The problem is this BODMAS and DMAS, this is basically a UK based approach. In US, what students have been taught is basically PAMDAS. PAMDAS stands for, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. The acronym this acronym can be remembered by this slang. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. If you remember this slang, if you remember this phrase, you can easily remember this acronym. And this acronym basically tells you the preference of operation. So in any given expression, if you see parentheses, the parentheses are basically the most preferred thing to do. You are going to solve the parentheses first. The second preference is given to the exponents. What exponents are, I have already discussed in class. Exponents are basically powers and powers on a numbers or square roots. Exponents and roots are very closely linked together. And after exponents, the preference comes of multiplication and division. Both are of same preference. So let's say, for example, in a question you have multiplication operation and division operation. So you go from left to right. So whatever comes first from left to right, that's what you have to do first. So if multiplication operation is first, you multiply it, and if division is first, you do division first. But the order of preference for multiplication and division is same, because multiplication by a number or division by a number is basically multiplication of the reciprocal of that number. It's really simple, and these two operations cancel each other out. Similarly, the last preference is addition and subtraction. Again, both have same preference, and if you see addition and subtraction in one equation, then you have to follow the rule. You have to go from left to right. Whatever comes from left to right, whatever comes first from left to right, you have to do that first. So if you follow this, you are not going to make any mistakes.